And Michael, do you think we could go through the pricing quickly of SmartScout before we wrap it up? And again, we'll have the pricing page in the description, but just for people to understand, please, man, if you have a few minutes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You can start with the Chrome extension just to get a little bit of a feel.
Mm.
That's free, as we mentioned. Then you'd go into our basic plan. So at the basic level, you can do product research. So what that means is you'd be able to access the product features and go into these different facets that we highlighted at the back end. You have, I think it goes up to 4,000 scans with the Chrome extension. I don't think I'm going to go into every single facet here. I'll try to
Yeah.
highlight just the key
Yeah.
key things. But with the essentials plan, you're able to basically start going into more detailed brand research. And with business, you get into the actual like advanced market research. It's kind of hard to in a nutshell differentiate the plans. But you do have every single thing, almost every single thing highlighted here, so you
Yeah.
can kind of go in and take a look at what is meant. You also get more users. So basically, with one subscription, you can add users on your team to access the tool. And yeah, this is our
Hmm.
pricing. It starts at $29 a month, goes to 97 for the essentials and 187 for business. You do get a 2-month discount if you go annual as well. And the discount does stack on both of these options.
Hmm.
And it's important to highlight that there is a 7-day money back guarantee. Try it without any fear. Up to 7 days, you get, a no questions asked refund. And after that, it would be a prorated refund from what I understand.
Yeah. And also, there's the enterprise plan for bigger agencies or brands on the right. I want to say to our viewers that we're going to have another video with Michael where we kind of go deep into the enterprise. We're going to have it in the description because if you're an enterprise level person watching or listening, then we have the other video in the description. Is going to be added if it still is not there, but we should add it. And this will go deep into how Smart Scout helps enterprise sellers, but maybe in a few kind of words, Michael, if you could mention that what like how can Smart Scout help enterprise
Yeah,
brands?
absolutely. So the thing about enterprise is that's when you get into historical data and you can start
Mm-hmm.
looking at like you can start looking at actual markets on Amazon. So if you think about Amazon, it's a collection of I think like 40,000 different markets. We looked at the hammer, the jaw hammer market today,
Hmm.
but you can see how that overlaps with brands, with products in terms of market share historically over time, and you can start overlaying things like pricing changes over time. So typically, we do have large agencies and brands using the enterprise tools and features. Some of the actual biggest Amazon sellers in the world do use these features, so they are very powerful. And yeah, so we will be going into that a little bit deeper
Yeah, there's gonna
on
be
the
an option also on the pricing page which is in the description to talk to sales. So as there's the button where we can, I believe, schedule a call about the enterprise with the Smart Scout team. Would appreciate if you, the viewer, if you are an enterprise seller or a brand, mention my name once you register. And if ever you're gonna do business with the guys, I'm gonna get a little commission from that. And yeah, helps me keep my content free. So you can mention my name, VOVA Evan, and I'm sure the guys will do well to help and do their best. Thank you. Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. So the way that the enterprise flow works is you click talk to sales and you're taken to a brief survey to help
Mm.
guide the sales team for the call.
Hmm.
And after you fill this out, you'll be taken to a calendar to find a convenient time to book a call. And
Hmm.
that's where you have a box where you could just put in, hey, saw a video on Vova's channel. That will be really helpful for context for our sales team. So
Hmm.
that's
All
the way
right.
that works. And we'll be talking more about it on another video as well.